Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews. Today, thanks to Albrecht, Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, Ram in Westborough, Massachusetts, we have the 2024 Dodge Hornet RT Track Pack and Blacktop bundle. This is sweet. So this is Dodge's kind of new direction that they're starting to go, and I'm all for it. Based on the Alfa Romeo Tonale. It's not pronounced a toenail, listen, okay? So this has a 1.3 liter inline turbo 4 mated to a hybrid powertrain for 288 horsepower and up to 383 pound-feet of torque, which is segment leading. Again, it might not be a Hellcat, but Dodge is bringing the peak power of the segment. They're leading the segment in horsepower yet again. So for options, RT Blacktop and Track Pack bundle. So this is the black Alcantara non-vented seats with the red accents, inox steel door. You know what, just look at this. Sporty leather steering wheel. That's one way to put it. So it's a pretty nice bundle. All in, we're at $46,120 as tested. And here goes Dodge with their color names. 8-ball exterior paint. Really? That is... Here's your red accents. Again, that doesn't shout Alfa Romeo. I don't know what does. They're all part of the same brand, so it doesn't really matter. This is the Hornet. Oh wow, good amount of rear seat room. Not too bad. I have it in e-save mode to try to get some more juice for the drive, but it sounds really, really good. It's my first time actually seeing one of these in person. I just almost nailed my head on that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a look under the hood. Never driven one of these. This is first time in it. Look at the clearance on that. That's pushing it. Big orange wires, which are always fun to play with. Don't actually touch those. Turbo's right in front of you, goes straight to a, looks like either a cat or a muffler, or maybe a combination of both. Looks like that's your wastegate. Yeah. To get 288 horsepower out of a 1.3, now again, that might be partial electric, but to get that much power out of a 1.3, it's pretty impressive. All right, we got 2 miles of electric range. That's all we need. New Uconnect. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Volume down there. There's your performance. Technical gauges. Accessory. Oh. My car. Drive mode Explorer. Oh, so this just kind of tells you, oh, okay. That tells you what each drive mode does. Okay, that makes sense. I love the gauges, and look at these paddle shifters, man. E-save may be limited in manual mode. What is this mated to? What kind of transmission? 6-speed automatic. Okay. POV, partial hybrid electric vehicle. All right, this is in metric. I'm not gonna play with metric anymore. Everything is in metric. Accessibility. System information, no. PSI, temperature, Fahrenheit, pound feet. Americanize this thing, man. Bingo, all right. I absolutely love this steering wheel, by the way. That it fits so good in the hands. Pop it into sport. Get that graphic up. Oh, suspension definitely gets firmer. Yeah, that's definitely a little bit of a rougher ride. In true metal paddles, in Italian fashion, mounted to the steering column, not the wheel, so they do not move with the wheel. Wow. This thing flies. And listen, at the end of the day, yeah, this isn't a Dodge. It's an Alfa Romeo. But if this is what it takes to keep making fun cars like this, I'm all for it. Whatever they have to do, I'm okay with. Because this is just good. And that is a lot of PSI too. What is it saying? 33 PSI? 22 PSI. This thing's impressive. It's definitely, I think, my favorite in the segment, and that might be because I'm biased, but this thing's so good to drive. And even the Grecale, which might be similar platform, not exactly the same, that's even fantastic to drive. I think Stellantis has finally figured it out. I mean, if this is what they're going to do to keep things going, I'm okay with it. Yeah, it doesn't have a Hellcat motor, but this is probably the most powerful 1.3 liter you'll find. You're a good car. You're a really good car. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.